Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. Hey friends, I thought I would let you know that I also give a free product gift with the card kit of the month if you shop with me and use the host code. So this is a set of embellishments, or maybe some ribbon, or maybe some designer series paper. Whatever it is that I've chosen to give away, you will get a little gift with your card kit of the month. Not everybody does that. I'm happy to share, and let's get on with the project today. Here are the two colorways that you will get in the October card kit. This is Cajun Craze and Wild Wheat. I am using the Autumn Expressions stamp set. Beautiful script, and I'm inking up the Grateful for You stamp with the Wild Wheat color, and the other side is pumpkin pie, I think. Anyway, I have to admit something to you guys. I am very embarrassed right now because I thought I had this all edited and out there for you and the first week of October. And I'll be honest, it's been sitting in my computer waiting for me to do that. And I just realized that now. So normally I have this video out in the first couple of days of the month, and it is 21 days. So I am embarrassed. I'm sorry. I thought I had done it. This is what happens when you get older. Sometimes you forget stuff. And I got a lot on my plate. So anyway, I'm using, like I said, Wild Wheat, and I'm pretty sure that's Cajun Craze. Yeah, it must be. It's Cajun Craze, you guys. I'm sorry. Anyway, looks lovely. Notice where I'm placing the wheat. I should have put that about an inch to the right. So anyway, you're going to put this card kit together when you get it your way, and I'm completely sure that it's going to look better than my example here. But if you need a place to jump off, I'm happy to share it with you. So that is Daffodil Delight, which is another beautiful color, or maybe it's Crushed Curry. I can't remember, you guys. It's been so long. Like I said, I thought I had this all tightened up for you. Anyway, guess what? We're using the Splendid Autumn Designer Series paper, or for those of you who don't know what DSP is, patterned paper. So you know what? I will look on the back of this, so maybe it'll share with me. Crushed Curry. Oh, maybe it is pumpkin pie. I don't know. You guys, I'm a little embarrassed. And I'm trying to get this out now, and now I'm flustered. So great. I need to go take a nap. Don't you know, sometimes when you're having a bad day, that's what you should do. I heard that there was, if you're angry at somebody or angry at the people, you need to go to have a shower or something. I can't remember what the saying is, but anyway, it basically says eat something, go to sleep, or take a shower. So maybe I should do all three. Anyway, I have this beautiful paper. I've matted it in black. I've realized that I've stamped the stamp right underneath the picture. So I'm going to bring over the ink pads again, and we're going to stamp that wheat a little bit further on. So it's a pretty simple card kit. You can use whatever stamp set that you have. I thought using I haven't, you know, like sometimes when we have these colors and we tend not to stamp on the actual card base unless it's white. So that's what I was trying to get at there. Anyway, inking up the wheat, and then I also stamped the leaves on there. You know what? You can do what you want. How's that? No, there's no card police. I didn't want to waste my stamping, but I liked the way that was right on top. And it does kind of, you know, block that picture, but you know what? It's fine. It's fine, you guys. There'll be another card kit of the month here shortly in another 10 days. And, you know, hopefully you'll shop with me and see what kind of mischief I'll get into this time. Anyway, you guys, I am so sorry for this being late. I'm an idiot. How's that? Self-proclaimed. And again, check out this stamp set. It's lovely. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.